Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayla Aziz and my channel's name is Ayla's Wonder World. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you that how can you record your PC screen using Wondershare Filmora 9. This is an easy application editing software and this is used for editing, but most of the people don't know that you can also record your PC screen using this software. It is so easy, so let's jump into the tutorial. For this, first of all, you have to open Wondershare Filmora 9 software on your PC. Just open it and here on the top corner you can see the record option. Just click it, and as you can see there are three options in the drop down list: record webcam, record PC screen, record voiceover. So you have to click on record PC screen. When you will click it, the Wondershare software is going to be closed, and another this kind of thing is going to open, and here you can find its icon as well in the taskbar. So this is Wondershare Filmora SCRN screen. So by using this you can record your screen, and recently now I am recording my PC screen by using this. I will show you that how it works. I am recording my screen and you can find these kind of options. Here is the option of full screen. When you will click it, you can also customize the screen and hide this kind of taskbar and other icons that you don't want to show. And here is save to. You can browse the folder that where you want to save your recording. Here is frame rate, that is 60 frames per second, and the quality is best. You can also add the record timer, but I don't want to add it. And here is another option that they are showing you that how do you want your mouse clicks to be appeared. I have chosen the red one, and here are some kind of hotkeys that are pause and resume. You have to click F10, and to start and stop you have to click F9. You can also change these keys. When you click this button, this drop down setting list will be closed, and here is this kind of button. When you will click it, the recording will pause, stop, and do other things. Thank you so much guys. By using this you can easily record your PC. It is without watermark, it is completely free. For this you just need to download the Wondershare Filmora 9. You can hide this recording panel by clicking this button here. Just click it, and as you can see this will come to the corner of the screen, and when you will click the minimize button here, it will just disappear. And if you again want to open it, just click on Wondershare Filmora 9 and click on record, and click on record PC screen again, and this will going to be appear. Make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button down below, and make sure to click that bell icon as well. I will keep uploading related to computer, internet, Filmora 9, so make sure to click that so that you won't miss any of my tutorials. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can give me your precious advices in the comment section down below. I will be very glad if you will comment me. Thank you so much for watching.